Hey guys, so by now you're probably well aware that AI-based language models like Chat GPT can be valuable time savers for e-commerce businesses. You can use Chat GPT to write SEO optimized blog posts, brainstorm advertising ideas, draft email marketing campaigns, and perhaps most usefully, write good, compelling product descriptions. Now, Chat GPT is fantastic, but there are definitely a few problems that you need to be aware of if you plan to use it frequently. So I thought I would just talk through some of these problems and then offer you a solution for how to avoid them. So number one, it's somewhat unreliable. If you use ChatGPT frequently, you've probably gone to their website and seen the "we're at capacity" message and have been unable to actually use the service. So I think they're probably pushing people towards a $20 a month option. That might be why you're seeing that. Number two, the AI actually has to be trained extensively. So I found that in order to get a good, consistent result from ChatGPT, I have to give it a ton of instructions for what I want it to do. And this is evidenced by the fact that there's actually tech companies that are hiring people into a prompt engineering role right now. People's entire day job is now becoming writing prompts for the AI. So that's evidence enough that it does take a little bit of extra training in order to get the right result from the AI. Number three, content creation is not seamless. So it's not connected to your e-commerce platform or your Shopify store, for example. And so if you wanted to, let's say, use Chat GPT to write a product description, then you would actually probably need to edit it after it's returned by the AI. It's very rare that it's going to give you a 100% perfect response, even if you get the prompt correct. So you're going to have to copy it out of ChatGPT, paste it into something like a Word document, maybe change the formatting, add images or colors or bolding or whatever you need to do, then paste it back into Shopify and finally publish it. So while AI content creation is definitely a time saver, this whole process is not exactly seamless. So those are the three main issues that we see with ChatGPT, and it's because of roadblocks like this that we decided to build a Shopify app that actually integrates with ChatGPT to solve these problems and kind of supercharge the content creation process for e-commerce brands. So rather than talk through how we do this, I thought I would just show you because it's really cool and I'm super excited about it. So I'm going to flip my tab over to the Boardroom app. And what you're looking at here is fundamentally a data analytics application. Boardroom connects the data from as many Shopify stores as you have with your advertising accounts, and we calculate all kinds of key performance indicators and do reporting for you. We do analytics on your advertising and your inventory and your customers. We even have a little customer heat map that's pretty cool. So suffice it to say that there's a ton of other features that we're not covering in this video. Check out some of our other videos on our channel if you want to learn more about that. But today we're focusing on our new feature, which is an integration with ChatGPT for content creation. So if I come under AI tools and click content, I'll be taken to this templates page, which has a lot of things that are coming soon, but we do have a product description feature that's ready to roll right now. I'm excited about the next couple weeks where we will be releasing blog posts, advertisements, email marketing campaigns. It's going to be awesome. But let me just show you the product description flow because it's ready to roll right now. So first you're taken to this page where you're asked a series of simple questions in order to compose the prompt for the AI so that we handle all the instructions and prompting on the back end for you. So you just answer questions about your business and we do the rest. So first, enter a short description of your product. For this example, I'm going to choose a product that I was really selling on one of my stores. It was an underwater snorkel. So I'll just click that there. Next, I'm going to choose the brand name for this product. I can choose from a dropdown since my brands are all connected into Boardroom, or you can just type in your brand. Next, you're going to describe your target audience. This is super important. So we're going to say for this product, it's outdoor enthusiasts. Did I spell that right? Yeah. Next, you're going to add the key features or benefits from this product that you want the AI to mention. So, you know your product. What is it that people are buying it for? In this case, it's a no fog way to dive with the snorkel. It's easy to assemble. It allows you to dive with ease and without stress. Those are the basic benefits of this product. Next, and this is super important, you're going to want to put in the tone that you want the AI to use in this description. Many people skip this step, but it's actually pretty important because the AI can talk and it can write in so many different styles. And so, for example, here I'm going to put an energetic tone. And finally, you can add any more specific instructions that might apply just uniquely to your brand in this field here. For this example, I'm just going to put limit the description to about, let's say 50 words, just to keep it short and sweet. And I'll click generate product description. It takes about 10 seconds usually. I'm going to slide this up here so we can see the result. Oh, there it is. Splashore gives you the freedom to explore the depths of the underwater world with ease. Our no-fog snorkels are easy to assemble and will let you dive fearlessly. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or a beginner, Splashore lets you experience the beauty of the oceans without stress. Get ready to dive in with Splashore. I mean, that's awesome. I love it. But, let's say that it wasn't perfect and I wanted to update this a little bit. Well, instead of having to copy and paste this into a Word document or something, we just gave you a little edit button here directly in Boardroom. And again, I'll keep that right there. And so I can just now tweak and edit this product description directly in here. Let's say I wanted to add maybe a bulleted list for this product description. I can very easily do that. Maybe I want to highlight some words, or add bolded words. I can do whatever I need to here. I can even embed images directly into this product description as well. So it's pretty cool. And once I'm satisfied with that, I just click the update button and you can see those changes are saved here into Boardroom. And now I can even just publish this directly into my Shopify store. Since Boardroom is connected to my store via an API, I just click this publish to Shopify button, choose the store because I might have multiple stores connected. Select the product that I wanted to update. I'm just going to kind of choose one at random here, and I'm going to click publish. And boom, you can see I get this little notification that it was successfully published onto my Shopify store. So I can literally just now click this go to product button if I want, and this is going to load the actual product page from my Shopify store. And you can see here's that product description that we just wrote in Boardroom. So now we've created this kind of seamless process. I'm just very excited about this feature. I think it's really, really cool. So just to kind of flip back and maybe recap what we just looked at and talked about here in Boardroom. So number one, these are kind of how we solve these problems. Boardroom is connected to your Shopify store, so you can really seamlessly create, edit, and publish content directly from within the app. Two, we handle all the complex commands and AI training for you. So we become kind of your prompt engineer, if you will, and all we do is ask you basic questions about your business and your products that you know well already. And number three, Boardroom costs $10 a month at the time that I'm filming this video. So immediately you're getting improvements upon the existing Chat GPT interface, and you're only paying half the price of a premium Chat GPT subscription. So I don't know, to me it seems like a no-brainer, but I hope you'll just kind of check it out and let us know what you think. I'd encourage you to try Boardroom out for free. Right now we have a 2-week free trial. And I hope that you'll just maybe subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay in the loop about all the cool things that we're building here at Boardroom. So thank you for watching. My name's Charlie. Let us know how we can help you on your e-commerce journey.